Welcome back to our channel. Hello everyone. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to complete the album in Monopoly Go. First tip I can share with you is that you need to always log in every day to collect the daily rewards. Go to the shop and claim your reward, which it contains stickers. As you can see here, I received free 3 stickers. Next is, you can acquire stickers by exchanging the duplicate stickers that you have and have the chance to acquire new stickers. Another tip is you can request the stickers that you don't have by asking your friends or groups by trading it with other duplicate stickers. As for the stickers that aren't tradable, just continue to play the game in order for you to acquire this. One last thing is you need to stay updated on the events where it gives free stickers. Acquire more stickers in order for you to have a higher chance to complete the album. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.